Everyday 10-minute English expression listening practice.
How about we take a break?
How about we take a break?
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Where are your manner?
Where are your manner?
I'm sorry, I got carried away.
I'm sorry, I got carried away.
How's it coming along?
How's it coming along?
It's still working.
It's still working.
When is the launch date of new product?
When is the launch date of new product?
Sorry, it delayed next year.
Sorry, it delayed next year.
It's already launched last week.
It's already launched last week.
Would you correct this title?
Would you correct this title?
Oh, sorry. I'll change it.
Oh, sorry. I'll change it.
Is there something wrong?
Is there something wrong?
The title is misspelled.
The title is misspelled.
Oh, sorry. I'll change it.
Oh, sorry. I'll change it.
I need your approval.
I need your approval.
I'll check it. Leave it on the table.
I'll check it. Leave it on the table.
How did you get it so quickly?
How did you get it so quickly?
The agreement went well.
The agreement went well.
Why don't you try this Korean food?
Why don't you try this Korean food?
I don't like spice food.
I don't like spice food.
How do you like Korean food?
How do you like Korean food?
It's very delicious, but it's little sweet for me.
It's very delicious, but it's little sweet for me.
Would you like anything for dessert?
Would you like anything for dessert?
I like coffee. A cup of coffee, please.
I like coffee. A cup of coffee, please.
Do you like raw fish?
Do you like raw fish?
Sorry, I can't eat raw fish.
Sorry, I can't eat raw fish.
How do you eat this seaweed?
How do you eat this seaweed?
Eat in with vegetable.
Eat in with vegetable.
Do you like beef or pork?
Do you like beef or pork?
I can't eat both. I'm vegetarian.
I can't eat both. I'm vegetarian.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It's starting to rain.
It's starting to rain.
Weather is going to fine tomorrow.
Weather is going to fine tomorrow.
I can go on a picnic tomorrow.
I can go on a picnic tomorrow.
The weather is good for picnic.
The weather is good for a picnic.
It seems a little cold to camp out.
It seems a little cold to camp out.
Did you hear the news? Typhoon is coming.
Did you hear the news? Typhoon is coming.
Oh, no. I need to cancel my trip.
Oh, no. I need to cancel my trip.
Do you have the time?
Do you have the time?
It's at 10:30.
It's at 10:30.
Do you have a time?
Do you have a time?
No, I'm busy. I'm late for the meeting.
No, I'm busy. I'm late for the meeting.
Wake up. It's time to go to school.
Wake up. It's time to go to school.
I'll sleep for 10 more minutes.
I'll sleep for 10 more minutes.
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
I had a car accident on my way home.
I had a car accident on my way home.
I'll be late for my flight.
I'll be late for my flight.
You can get there on time by train.
You can get there on time by train.
I went shopping last week.
I went shopping last week.
We went shopping last week.
We went shopping last week.
I don't like the clothes I bought last week.
I don't like the clothes I bought last week.
It was good when I saw it.
It was good when I saw it.
That shirt and tie go well together.
That shirt and tie go well together.
I'll buy it. How much is it?
I'll buy it. How much is it?
Please gift wrap this.
Please gift wrap this.
It takes a while. Wait a minute.
It takes a while. Wait a minute.
I'm going to give to my parents.
I'm going to give to my parents.
It is a popular for adults.
It is a popular for adults.
Buy one of these clothes, and you'll get another one.
Buy one of these clothes, and you'll get another one.
When does the sale start?
When does the sale start?
The sale starts this weekend.
The sale starts this weekend.
I think it's a lack of exercise.
I think it's a lack of exercise.
Yes, you look fat these days.
Yes, you look fat these days.
How about running 1 hour every day?
How about running 1 hour every day?
That sounds great. Do you want to join us?
That sounds great. Do you want to join us?
No, I swim every day.
No, I swim every day.
I haven't felt too good lately.
I haven't felt too good lately.
I think you should see a doctor.
I think you should see a doctor.
I've been under a lot of stress lately.
I've been under a lot of stress lately.
I think you'd better take a break.
I think you'd better take a break.
Do you make a lot of money on the stock market?
Do you make a lot of money on the stock market?
No. It's rumor.
No. It's rumor.
Do you want to investment in my new company?
Do you want to investment in my new company?
I'd love to, but I don't have any spare money.
I'd love to, but I don't have any spare money.
I think it's a good opportunity. I'm sorry.
I think it's a good opportunity. I'm sorry.
I open a bank account.
I open a bank account.
Save a lot of money.
Save a lot of money.
I withdrew my money.
I withdrew my money.
I deposited my money.
I deposited my money.
Break this into $1 bills.
Break this into $1 bills.
I need more cash. Do you know where the ATM is?
I need more cash. Do you know where the ATM is?
The ATM is across the street.
The ATM is across the street.
I can't see a thing without my glasses.
I can't see a thing without my glasses.
You'd better go to the hospital.
You'd better go to the hospital.
My eyesight is getting worse.
My eyesight is getting worse.
My wisdom teeth are coming in.
My wisdom teeth are coming in.
You'd better go to the dentist soon.
You'd better go to the dentist soon.
I have to get a medical checkup tomorrow.
I have to get a medical checkup tomorrow.
When will the result be out?
When will the result be out?
The results will be out next week. But I'm afraid it's going to be bad.
The results will be out next week. But I'm afraid it's going to be bad.
There's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong.
Are you taking any medicine?
Are you taking any medicine?
I'm taking medication on control my blood pressure.
I'm taking medication on control my blood pressure.
You should get a hobby to get rid of stress.
You should get a hobby to get rid of stress.
I think so too.
I think so too.
I'm taking sleeping pills.
I'm taking sleeping pills.
How about doing some exercise instead?
How about doing some exercise instead?
I'm worried about the side effects.
I'm worried about the side effects.